Hello students, in this video we are going to study about the prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. So when we differentiate the cell on the basis of the number of cell present in it, that is of unicellular and multicellular. But here the basic difference, we difference or categorize the cell on the basis of their karyon, means the basis of the differences is your that is your nucleus. So here we will divide the cell based on their type of nucleus, that is your prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. So first we see what is the meaning of this prokaryotic cell and what is eukaryotic cell. So we have studied till now about the eukaryotic cell, that is your plant cell and animal cell, which contain a nucleus, which contain a nucleolus, which contain endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, Golgi bodies, ribosomes. They all are membrane bound structures, and you are able to differentiate when you will get any diagram, you are able to differentiate them because they all having membrane in it. So basically eukaryotic cell that we studied, that is animal cell and plant cell. But in prokaryotic, in contrast to eukaryotic, this prokaryotic is basically one cell membrane is present and a nucleoid region is present, but you are not able to differentiate which one is the nucleus, which one is the nucleolus. You are not able to define it. So, and they are not membrane bound. They are just present in the cell, and you are unable to define them, unable to found that where they are present, and they doesn't contain any type of cell organelles. So basically this is the structure of prokaryote. One, that is ribosome, is the common in both. You will find ribosome in prokaryotic as well as in eukaryote. So let's see what is this more differences. So prokaryote, first of all, the term we have to study about the prokaryote and eukaryote. Eu means your advance and karyote means kernel. We already studied about the nucleus, term taken from the kernel, nut, and that is called nucleus. So here the nucleus are very advanced, means they having proper defined nuclear membrane, the nucleus present in between here. So they are defined nucleus. That's why they are called eukaryote. Means here the kernel, the nut, the nucleus is defined, and they are membrane bound nuclear. There's a nuclear membrane is present around it. You are easily able to identify the nucleus. So that is called eukaryotes. In contrast to that, prokaryotes, before the nut, means before the formation of a defined nucleus, that organism are called prokaryotes. Means karyote is here the kernel or nut or nucleus, but before the formation of this nucleus, proper nucleus, defined nucleus, these organisms are called prokaryotes. So let's see what are the more differences. So here I listed some important differences here. Lack of nuclear membrane, we already discussed that in prokaryote there is a lack of nuclear membrane. Presence of nuclear membrane, cell organelles are absent, cell organelles are present. Contains single chromosome, contain more than one chromosome. The size is basically 1 to 10 micrometer, and here the unicellular, basically they are unicellular and they are multicellular. Ribosomes are present and ribosome is present. This is the common one. Ribosome is present in both the prokaryotic as well as eukaryotic cell. Some examples are bacteria and microorganisms are basically found in the prokaryotic cells. They are basically prokaryotic type of cell, and human cell, plant cells, they are basically eukaryotic cell. So we understood that what is the difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell.